Financial and physical health are often top of mind for people approaching retirement, but emotional health can be an afterthought. More than a quarter of retirees suffer from depression, according to a University of Michigan study. It's a higher rate than for the older population at large. To help prevent this, start making retirement plans about 5 years before you expect to stop working, experts say. Get your emotional and financial plans in sync. Make sure your economic outlook fits what you want to do. Clocks jumping forward an hour for daylight saving time can have negative effects on your body, experts say. It's not unusual for a person's sleep to be disrupted for days or weeks after the change. Lack of sleep negatively affects memory, attention span, and focus, research shows. People often feel hungrier than normal the week after the time change, experts say. Many are eating meals an hour later than their body is used to. That's your AARP Minute. See you Monday.